along the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get away. Baby, don't hold back, all you gotta do is say, what would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. We've been drinking champagne on the beach of Malibu, cruising down the boulevard, kissing in the backseat of the car, making love under the stars. What would you like to be satisfied with me? I've been counting moments of love, I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. I've been catching signs from above. All I wanna do is satisfy you. Baby, all you want is to be satisfied with me. Satisfied with me. To be satisfied with me.
All my friends going hard on the weekend. Bass up real loud, it's the season. Tune it out when I hear them names speaking. Over my head, I'm jumping off the deep end. Just another song that we can get high to. Backseat zoned out at the drive-thru. Need a spot, yeah, you know that I got you. I got you. If you need someone, I'll be someone. I got you. Even if it's 3 a.m., you need something. I got you. I got you.
Even if my car don't start, I can bike. If we get lost in the dark, got a light. I made some mistakes, but I learned every time. Just look up to the sky, look up to the sky. We gon' be alright.
하나, 둘, 셋. 허부살이에 뚜디랑 그러니까 교수님?
아, 교수님?
교수님 반성합시다.
저희 체력별 이러면서
스스로 반성. 나와도 돼?
물론이죠. 아, 주민 주마우신가요?
아니 이렇게 하면 나와.
너무 샷가
힘들어요? 네. 제일 어리잖아요.
네?
제일 어리잖아요. 숫자에 불과하나요?
달라. 주민들이 언니는 근데 그런 거 하면 안 되지. 나랑 한 살 차이밖에 안 나고.
오,
우리 언니 여기 4예요. 우리는 2고.
야, 너 4였어?
응.
충격이네. 알겠어요. 건강하세요.
화이팅. 감기 조심하세요.
목마라고요?
엄마 목말라요.
Looking back at being young and feeling small in the world, playing with angels, holy pages, busy doing the work. Now we're standing in the present, and I hope you're amazed by everything you dreamed to help you get to this place. Say, every day it blows my mind, watching out the all night. And now you notice in the universe wants you to succeed. Take out your candles and remember to have faith in
효리야 반가워. 아 이거
잘라야 되잖아. 야, 이거 뭐야? I hope you're thinking of you.
radio, you gravitate for songs about love. Mystified by the illusion of what it never was. Using music just to soothe, and now it's time to grow up. All the excuses try to tell you that you weren't enough, that you needed too much. Maybe a little too tough. You shine a little too bright. Could you step out of the light? Feel an angel.
그래서 별명이